How does the blood type diet work? Everyone has one of 4 blood types:
A, B, AB and O.
Each of these types can be Rh positive or Rh negative. More on this later. It does make a slight difference in what you are supposed to be eating. The human body has unique chemical markers called antigens that can identify foreign substances that enter the body. One of the most powerful antigens in the body is the one that determines blood type. A person's blood type is named for the blood type antigen that one possesses on the red blood cells. Because food has different chemical markers, this makes some foods better for some types and worse for others. Food is a composite mixture of thousands of different molecules, including nutrients as well as many potentially antigenic molecules. Different types of antigens present in food or emanations from food may evoke reactions within different immunological systems, and frequently within more than one. Blood type O contains fructose, the basic sugar of all the blood types. Each of the blood types is fructose, type 0, plus another sugar. This is why type O is the universal donor, and also why type O cannot accept another blood type. Type A is fructose plus N-acetylgalactosamine. Type AB is a combination of fructose and the sugar from type A and type B. Type B is fructose plus D-galactosamine. To find out more, I recommend D. Adamos's blood type book. I will have a link below to your particular blood type. There are other factors to consider like Rh positive and Rh negative. It will slightly change what you are allowed to eat on this diet. More about that in my next video. What does it mean if you carry the Rh antigen? A person with the Rh positive factor will not make anti-Rh antibodies. Those with Rh negative factor will produce the antibodies. Therefore, someone with Rh plus blood can receive both Rh plus and Rh transfusions, but those with Rh can only receive Rh blood. There is always more research being done in the health and wellness industry. Subscribe to stay informed, hit the like button if this was helpful, and as always, have a wonderful evening.